What's good, everybody? It's your boy Simon Khalil. Thank you for joining me on another one. Prime lenses. Let's get into the topic. But before that, do you want to come say hi?
Hi.
Come here. Come sit. Come sit. Say hi.
Hi.
So prime lenses for me have been something that over the years I've accumulated. 35, 50, 85 millimeter lenses. Majority of my work before that was, you know, your standard 24 to 70s, 70 to 200s because events and so on and so forth. But now using prime lenses, honestly, it's been something I'm considering completely moving over to. Just prime lenses and getting rid of my zoom lenses simply because it's something that has been very beneficial to me. A couple of reasons why. Number one, honestly, this makes you challenge yourself. Using prime lenses has, you know, walking around with a 50 millimeter, getting different perspectives on what to shoot, what not to shoot, things like that has been awesome. It makes me feel that I'm like not lazy. I'm not a lazy photographer. So, you know, and when it comes to filmmaking and like videos as well as photos, like these lenses have been honestly the sharpest I've ever used, sharper than any zoom lens, and it's been just super beneficial in that sense. Yes, the cost is a lot. Yes, it's not cheap. I get it, but using a prime lens only has helped me challenge myself completely in my game, whether it comes to video or photo. Now, I don't think these are great for event photography because of all the commotion and the movement that you have to do, and considering the type of shoots you have to take, this is not necessary. Using your 24 to 70s and your 70 to 200s is something that I think is better for event photography. But when it comes to portraits, when it comes to video, when it comes to everything else, I mean, I use these bad boys specifically for my B-roll, and I'll be honest with you, I can't get a cleaner image other than using a prime lens. And lastly, you know, the challenge that the prime lenses give you is something unparalleled. With you know, the zoom lenses, I'm not going to say I'm lazy, but I'm not, you know, seeking out different angles. I'm not seeking out, you know, different methods to shoot things. I'm not looking at different perspectives, you know, because with events you have to just get the shot, and that's what they pay you for. But with prime lenses, it makes you work, man. So that's all I have for you today. Guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Say deuces.
Deuces.
Peace.